Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. This video is entitled 7 AM trading versus 8 AM trading. Which one is better? Which one do we use? Which one should you use? Now, it's a matter of do's, not so much do's and don'ts, but we do use 7 AM, we do use 8 AM. So when we refer to the DAX market, there were times, we started at 8 AM, and the DAX doesn't officially start trading until 3 minutes past 8. That's 8 AM GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, meaning the UK. Now, the DAX market, it is 1 hour ahead of us, Eastern time. So where it's 8 AM in the UK, the United Kingdom, it is 9 AM in Germany. So where we say 3 minutes past 8, it's actually 3 minutes past 9 in the morning in Germany. What we've found is, let's have a look here, open this market up here on a DAX. And we're going to scroll back. Remember what to do. We click here. We're going to scroll back to 7 AM. 7 AM. So here we are. At 7 AM, let's use this cursor here. There, you can see the markets are moving. They're moving up from 7 AM. Then goes sideways, then up. At 7:49. Now at 7:49, 49 or so, up, and then at 8 AM this happens. Now when this happens, if we relate to think about the US market, in the first hour of trading between here 8 AM and here 9 AM, wild things happen. The markets moved up, markets moved down very fast, sideways, down, up, sideways, down, up. And then once the traders decide which way they want to go, then they make a decision and the markets go in a particular trend, which is going up. So what we've found is, at times, when trading here at 8 AM on the DAX, it's actually 9 AM. So imagine it's 9 AM here in the UK. Things already happened. The markets do kick off. This is 8 AM. It's 9 AM. 9 AM in Germany. It's 8 AM here. It's in a way, it's not that you missed things, but this needs to sort itself out here. But here, this is a little secret, you could say, that many people are already trading the DAX at 7 AM, which is 8 AM in Germany. Okay, but the choice is yours. If you want to, catch opportunities before the 8 AM open, do that. Because if you can achieve your points before the 8 AM open, that means you have the rest of the day off. But if you're auto trading, you don't need to look at it anyway. But if you are manual trading, you can definitely have the rest of the day off once you hit your points. Let's look at the FTSE. Over here. The FTSE. Now, with the FTSE, if you're trading a FTSE, we start trading a FTSE at 8 AM. It's more profitable to trade at 8 AM on a FTSE because you may incur more charges for trading before 8 AM. So definitely with the FTSE, let's have a look at 8 AM. So, and as you can see, the FTSE itself doesn't trade before hours anyway. It starts at 7 AM, very little goes on, coming up, more or less the same moves as the DAX, but at 8 AM, same thing, a little bit wild, but it makes more of a decision. So 8 AM is good for the FTSE, 7 a.m. is actually good for the DAX, okay, because the DAX moves a little bit faster than the FTSE. But once again, the decision is yours. We would still say, maybe advice or so if you want that, or a recommendation, check out what the DAX is doing between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. but always check out what the FTSE is doing after 8 a.m. That's it. I hope that helps. So 8 a.m. in the UK is 9 a.m. in Germany. Imagine 9 a.m. That's already quite late in the world of trading, especially if you are trading in the wee hours in the morning and you are trading in Forex. But I hope, and we hope, that helps. Thank you.